Here on the WIX editor, you want to go to your left side of your screen and then click on this plus icon named Add Elements. Just click on it. And then you want to go to Strip. Just hover on it. And then you want to click on Testimonials. Right here, you can just choose any testimonials or review that you want to add. For example, I want to choose on this one with the profile picture, name, and the review. Just click on one of them or drag it to your screen. And there you go. Right here, you can just choose the profile image of the person that will be commenting on your website by clicking on the image and then click on change image. Here, you can just choose an image of the person. For example, I want to choose on this guy right here and then click on choose image. And there you go. The image was changed. And you can also change the name of the person that will be commenting. For example, I want to name it as Jason right here. And then you can also change the text or the review of the person. And that's how to add review and testimonials on WIX. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.